my name is Kamila Bendersky and today's video is about piece chicken. So I'm gonna play it right now and then discuss a few details. So I think the most difficult part of this piece is being able to shift from staccato to legato and then from forte to piano and vice versa. So right now I'm going to play my right hand, first part of the piece, first six bars. And I'm going to tell you where you should be playing staccato and where you should be playing legato. Staccato, legato, staccato, staccato, legato, staccato. So, and you might notice that this first part consists of 2 repeats for that last for 3 bars. So if you think of that, it's much easier to play. And the second part consists of 8 bars, and again we have almost identical 2 parts, 4 bars, and again it's much easier to play if you think of the structure of the piece and you think of the repeats. So again, second part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bar, and then we have one phrase that lasts for 4 bars, and then second phrase is the repeat, but it's I think the last bar differs a little bit. Okay, so another thing, it's really important to play both hands together, so being able to coordinate between hands, and I think counting will help a lot. So I would recommend counting 1 and 2 and, just like that. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Sorry, 1 and 2 and 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 okay, another thing is that it's really important to play exact fingers that are written, and you might notice that in the last 4 bars there are no fingers written, so you should play the same fingers you played in the previous 4 bars. From 7th to, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 10th, there in the right hand you'll see 3rd finger on every note, so you should play the same 3rd finger in the last 4 bars. Okay, I think that's it. Just pay attention to the score. Make sure you play the right dynamics. So forte means loud, piano means quiet, mezzo forte means MF, yeah, mezzo forte means not that loud. So yeah, if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to email me or text me, and yeah, good luck with that piece.